Hello guys, so if you're looking to transfer money from your Venmo account to your Cash App account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply click on the settings icon at the top right corner, then click on the payments method, then click on add bank or card. So after that, I will assume that you don't have the Cash App debit card. So what we are going to do is add the bank manually. So click on bank, and as you can see, it is asking for instant verification. So as you can see, it is using Plaid to verify the bank account, but Cash App doesn't use that, so we will do it manually. So click on verify bank manually instead. Then it is asking you routing number and account number. So for getting the routing and account number, all you have to do is just simply open your Cash App account and click on the dollar icon at the bottom left corner, then click on direct deposit. So over here you will find your routing number and account number. So just simply copy them and paste it in the routing number. Then for the account number, again go back and copy the account number and paste it on account number and confirm account number. So after doing that, it will take 3 to 4 days to do the complete process, because it will send 2 deposits and it will make 2 withdrawals in your account. So after doing all of that, and after 3 to 4 days, go back to your Cash App account, click on the activity icon at the bottom right corner, and over there you will find multiple withdrawal and deposit from Venmo. So when you receive this, just simply go back to your Venmo application and again click on the setting icon at the top right corner, click on payment method. So the Cash App bank will be shown as Sutan Bank over here. So as you can see, it is currently unverified. So to verify the bank, what you have to do is just simply click on it, then click on verify, then enter the amount that was withdrawal and deposit in your Cash App application. So after doing that, as you can see, the unverified option has been removed. Now after doing all of that, go back to your main screen, click on manage balance, then click on transfer to bank. Now over here you will have two options, instant and 1 to 3 days, and below that you will have the transfer to. So as you can see, it is currently selected as the Sutan Bank. So click on that option, then you will have the option to change the bank if you want to, but for me I will just simply go with this one. Now if I click on instant, it will send the money instantly as it word stands. So if I click on instant, as you can see, the Sutan Bank is not supported, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is I'll choose the 1 to 3 days option. So click on that option and click on transfer, and after that money will be transferred in your account within 3 to 2 days. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.